In Apple iPhone, if you want to set reminders, you can set reminders. In this video, we will be telling about how to set reminders in your Apple iPhone. For this, open Reminders application. Here you can see Reminders application. When you are opening this Reminders application, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see New Reminder option. Click on New Reminder. When you are clicking on that, you will be asked to enter your title. After that, here you can see Notes option. You can enter whatever notes you want. And after that, here you can see Details option. Click on Details. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. First thing is that if you want this reminder on a specific date, you need to turn on this Date option. After that, select the date. And if you want to set time, here you can see Time option. Just turn this on and you can set whichever time you want. And another thing is that here you can see Early Reminder option. What that means is that before this reminder time, if you want another reminder, you can set that. Here you can see some option like 5 minutes before, 15 minutes before, and here 1 minute before option is also there. You can set this according to your need. And after that, here you can see Repeat option. What that means is that if you want to repeat this reminder, you can select Repeat. Here so many options are there: hourly, daily, fortnightly, monthly, and so many options are there. You can select whichever you want. For example, I am selecting daily. After that, if there is an end date for this repeat, click on End Repeat, and here you can see End Repeat Date. Select this and select the date. This will be the end date, and after this date, this will not repeat. After that, go back, and here you can see Tags option. If you want to add tag, you can do that. And here you can see Location option. If you want, you can turn on this. After that, if you are reaching a specific location, or if you are getting into your car, or if you are getting out of car, if you want this reminder, you can set that. For example, I am selecting Getting In. So if I am getting into my car, I can see this reminder in my phone. And another one option is there when messaging. What that means is that when you are messaging anyone, you want this reminder to appear in your phone, you can select when messaging, and after that choose person. After that, when you are messaging that person, you will receive this reminder. And here Flag option is there. If you want, you can turn it on. And here Priority option is there. If you want to give priority for this, you can select High, or if it is low priority, you can set that also. And here if you want to add image, click on Add Image, and you can add image. After that, click on this Add button, and when you are clicking on that, that reminder will be added. In all section, you can see that reminder, and from list also, you can select that reminder. So this way you can easily add reminders in your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.